quick little video since, yeah, it's like it's been forever. It's probably only been like a week. But I am currently using the Pineapple Glow from Too Faced. And it's a face mask. It says Pineapple Glow Moisturizing and Brightening Face Mask. Apply an even layer all over and let the magic happen. Wait 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse completely to reveal baby soft, refreshed, and brightening skin. Girl, I love Too Faced products, so I'm super excited to see the results. Probably gonna put what are those things called? The under eye patches shits. Just to bring out these damn bags, cause these bags continue to pack their fucking selves. Ugh. Okay, so I'm gonna be using the acure. Welcome to Wellness. It's seriously soothing under eye hydrogels. From Marshall. Sorry, my son is just playing with his little toys right now and just has to do it from the top. Let me get it. And when I pat it in my Jesus Christ, I'm all messing this up. I had it in my fridge because I love when it's like nice and cool. Yes. So I got all of these at Marshall's and I got it for $10, which is not bad. The original price is $33 and I got it for $10. Girl, let me tell you, it is not cheap, but at Marshall's it's cheap.
This is cheap.
1 second. And we're back. Sorry about that. So we're gonna pull these bad boys out, put them on, and then yeah, let's get this show on the road. Zayden! Oh my god, my son is like running around like a psycho. Ay, ay, ay. How they score like that. Yeah. I just want to get it super close so I can get these bags out of here. Okay. Zayden, stop. Oh my God, my son, Jesus Christ. Zayden.
Sorry.
He's so sorry, and then he keeps going around and around and around, and like I'm about to poke my eye and stuff. Oh my God. 1 week. 1 week of vacation. Woo! Then he goes back to school. Alright, so it seriously soothes the appearance of dark circles around your under eye with blue tansy and ornita. Directions: open and put on a flat surface. And it says to like allow it to set for 15 to 20 minutes, which is just wrong with the mask as well, with the Too Faced mask. So I'm gonna let this sit and we'll have the revealing product in a bit. See you in a bit. Alright guys, and we're back. It's been well over like 20 minutes. These are like super not all slimy as they normally are. Let me see. I still have to wash my face, but oh. Let's see. Wash my freaking face. Wow. Whew. Actually really loving this toofaced mask that I just tried out. My skin feels super soft, like a baby's butt soft. Even yes, those replenished, and then my under eyes, you can definitely tell like there's like a different color tone. So I really like what it did, and it has like that glow. I was kind of skeptical because it did have what is it, like glitter, like this little glitter shit, and I don't really like it because what is fucking glitter gonna do in a fucking facial mask? I don't know. It's just as not needed as much as like a fucking walnut, those walnut shells, how it can like hurt your skin. They just want to make it look good or what ifs. But nonetheless, I really do like it. Let me see. I literally have so much stuff, guys. Like, it is crazy. I kind of want to use this one just because the other one was a pineapple too. So we will use this one. So yeah, this one I got in a little box charm subscription a while back. Oh Jesus! And I haven't really used it. I'm trying to like use all of them. I have so many, I'm just addicted to facial shit. It has like a hint of pineapple and it smells super good. Okay. Oof. That is exactly what my skin needed. Because it's starting to get cold and like I felt like my face crack and my lips are just so chapped on my neck. My skin is dying. Yes, queen. So that's how my skin looks after using the Too Faced, the Acure under eye gel shits, I don't even know, as well as the Glow Recipe Pineapple Seed Bright Serum. So many good reviews on this. And it does like do the justice. Like my skin definitely needed it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and seal the deal with just spraying my skin with organic. Let me actually go get it. I don't know why I have everything like all over the place. But okay, so then I have the organic witch hazel. Hold on, Z.
I'm hungry.
How demanding on my child. Dinner's already made. And we're also gonna go ahead and do the organic rose water facial mist as well. Just to seal the deal. Voila. And that's how to get lovely, lovely facials, skincare. I love it. I would highly recommend it. Bye guys.